Good morning, students. How are you, dear all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again, it's time for maths lecture. So, students, let us begin. In our last lecture, we started chapter number 5, division. Today, we are going to do exercise 5.1. So, all of you, write down the exercise in notebook, your classwork copy. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Draw fishes in groups and fill in the bubbles. Draw fish in groups and fill in the bubble. Let's see how to do it. First of all, let us write the question first. Draw fish in groups and fill in the bubbles. All of you, write down the question first. Draw fish in groups and fill in the bubbles. Write question in beautiful handwriting. Okay, so the first one, part A is six divided by 2 is equals to. Although it is solved by the question, but we will see how a question or book solved it. So 6 divided by 2 is equals to blank. So what is this? This is total number of fishes. This is total number of fishes. Now what is this? This is fish in each group. Number of fishes in each group. And here, this portion we need to find, that will be number of groups made. So, total number of fishes are given by the question and number of fishes in each group is also given by the question. With the help of this, we will find out the number of group mates or the answer. So, let's do it. First of all, we will draw 6 fishes. See, we have drawn the fishes. Now, draw fishes in groups and fill in the bubbles. We need to fill this bubble. Now 6 divided by 2. Divided by 2 means we'll make 2 groups. One group and 2 group. In each group should have equal number of fishes. So See, 1, 2 and 3 fishes are here and 1, 2 and 3 fishes are here. Means the 3 is our answer. Okay. So 6 divided by 2 means we'll make 2 groups of this 6 fishes. In each group we are having 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. 3 fishes means our answer is 3. So this is how we'll do this. Note this down. Draw fishes also. First write down the question, then draw fishes. So I hope students you have written down. Now the next question. Part B of the same. Part B is 12 divided by 6. And we need to fill this bubble. So first of all, this is the total number of fishes. So first of all, we will draw 12 fishes. First of all, we will draw the total number of fishes, that is 12 here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the last one 12. So we are done with the drawing. 12 divided by 6. Now we will make 6 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 rows are there. So this is how we can make the 6 group by keeping 2 fishes in one group. This is how we will be able to distribute the fishes equally. So now we have divided the 12 fishes into 6 groups. We have divided these 12 fishes into 6 groups. Now let's count in each group how many fishes are there. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In each group 2 fishes are there. In each group 2 fishes are there, means our answer is 2. So 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. We have drawn 12 fishes. Now we need to divide it by 6. So we made 6 group in such a manner that each group is having equal number of fishes, and that equal number is number 2. So 2 is our answer. So 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. So note this down, dear students. Now I hope you have noted down. Now moving further, part C of the same question. Part C is 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1. So we will draw 4 fishes first of all. This is the total number of fishes. So 4 divided by 1 means we need to distribute all the fishes in one group. One group means this is how we will be able to make one group, means in all the fishes in one group. So there are 4 fishes, means our answer is 4. Or we can solve this question by the property also. Division property says that any number divided by 1, so here any number is 4, any number divided by 1 give the quotient is number itself. So here the number is 4, so 4 divided by 1, so quotient will be 4 itself. So by the property also we can solve this, but here question is asking us to solve this by drawing fish and making groups. So that's why we draw, first of all we draw 4 fishes, then we made one group. So in one group how many fishes are there? 4 fishes, means our answer is 4. Note this down. First of all write down the question and then draw the fishes. I hope students you have written down. Now moving further, the next question is part B. So next question is 8 divided by 2. Question D. 8 divided by 2. So first of all, we'll make 8 fishes. 8 divided by 2. Now 8 fishes, 8 divided by 2. It means we'll distribute these 8 fishes into 2 groups. So let's do it. This is first group and this is the second group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In each group 4 fishes are there. So what we need to do is we just need to distribute fishes in such manner that both the groups should have equal number of fishes. So here both the groups are having 4 fishes, means here 4 is our answer. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. First of all, we have drawn 8 fishes, then we distributed those 8 fishes into 2 groups and got 4 as our answer. So note this down. First of all, make fishes and then divide them into groups. I hope students you have noted down. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.